You've got a headshot, you've got a script, but hiring a spokesperson to film it? That's a whole production. Skip it. With Bring a Portrait to Life in Vyroq's Video Studio. Open Video Studio and start with Step 1, Portrait. Upload a PNG or JPG. Vyroq checks it live. Face detected. Good lighting, front facing, and if a real person's likeness is found, you'll confirm consent before anything generates. Step 2, Voice. Type a script and pick a voice, or upload your own audio file instead. Either way, Vyroq shows you the estimated spoken length before you commit. Step 3, Options. Choose your aspect ratio for Reels, YouTube, or Square Feed. Dial the expressiveness slider from subtle to animated and add a motion prompt like slight head nods, warm smile to guide the performance. Hit generate and the progress card tracks your talking portrait rendering in real time. Lip-synced, expressive, ready to publish. That's a photo and a script turned into a spokesperson video. Start yours free at vyroqi.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.